Hi, this is AJ here from UCSD for the course Embedded Hardware Architecture. So this is our project in which we had to build or simulate a 3D printer. So here I have the RAM's 1.4 board. It's basically an extension board to work with Arduino Mega and the bottom 2560. So basically I have connected by giving 12 volts directly from my power supply. Yep. And connected a USB to my USB COM port on my PC. So that simulates, and I have connected also the stepper motors 5, X, Y, Z and extruders as shown here. This is a slot if you want to connect to an optional LCD, an I2C controlled LCD. So the first thing I do is download a Marlin software and load the software, compile it and upload it to my Arduino Mega 2560. Then since we wanted to do any rectangular, for an example, I selected a dice from a 3D builder from Microsoft. Once I get that, I open that in Slicer app because we need the 3D coordinates to export it. Add a dice, or you can select a rectangular box. I've selected a rectangular box, but I'm showing as an example of a dice. So we export the G code and save it. Once you have the G codes, you open an app called Pronterface. Basically this does is simulate the 3D printer of what shape you define. So for an example, I define my COM port connected to COM6 with the baud rate 2500 and connect. So it got connected. I load the file that I need to. I had a G code of cube. I load it. I turn the heat and bed off. I click on print. So you can see initially my X-axis stepper motor turn, now Y, Z, and then the extruder accordingly. And you can also see the software what line of code it's printing. It's basically going to take 53 minutes to print the whole cube. And you can also see the data on the serial monitor. The printer started, and this is the example of the code cube. Thank you.